Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to install the Epic Games Launcher on your Mac. It's an easy process, so let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to the Epic Games Store. I'll leave a link to the website in the description below for your convenience. Once you're on the Epic Games Store page, look for the download button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll want to save the installer file to your Mac. For this tutorial, I'm going to save it directly to my desktop, but you can choose any location you prefer. Once the installer is downloaded, open it up. You should see the Epic Games logo. Simply drag and drop that logo into your Applications folder. After a few seconds, you should hear the install noise. That means it's done. You can now exit out of the installer window and even delete the installer file from your Mac. You won't need it anymore. Now, open the Epic Games Launcher that we just installed from your Applications folder. Since it's a new application downloaded from the internet, you might see a security prompt. Just click Open to proceed. The Epic Games Launcher will now begin to update itself. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. So just be patient. Once the update is complete, the Epic Games Launcher will reopen, and you'll be prompted to sign into your Epic Games account. Go ahead and enter your credentials. If you don't already have an Epic Games account, no problem. Just scroll down and click on the Create Account link to sign up for a new one. After you've signed in, you'll be taken to the homepage of the Epic Games Launcher. Now you can finally play some games. To see your game library, click on the Library tab on the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll find a list of all the games currently in your account, including Fortnite. However, as of recording this video, Fortnite is not available on Mac. If you are still interested in playing Fortnite on your Mac, I'll leave a link to a tutorial on how to do that in the description below. So there you have it. That's how to install the Epic Games Launcher on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.